1. The Indian national calendar is based on which era? A. Gregorian. B. Saka. C. Hijri. D. Vikram Samvat. Answer. B. Saka. 2. The Victoria Memorial is located in which Indian city? A. Delhi. B. Mumbai. C. Kolkata. D. Chennai. Answer. C. Kolkata. 3. The Planning Commission of India was replaced by which institution? A. Niti Aayog. B. Finance Commission. C. RBI. D. Economic Advisory Council. Answer. A. Niti Aayog. 4. Which article of the Indian Constitution guarantees the right to equality? A. Article 14. B. Article 16. C. Article 17. D. Article 19. Answer. A. Article 14. 5. The international date line passes through which ocean? A. Atlantic Ocean. B. Pacific Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. D. Arctic Ocean. Answer. B. Pacific Ocean. 6. Dandiya is a popular dance of which Indian state? A. Punjab. B. Gujarat. C. Rajasthan. D. Maharashtra. Answer. B. Gujarat. 7. The Union Budget of India is presented by whom in the Parliament? A. President. B. Prime Minister. C. Finance Minister. D. Vice President. Answer. C. Finance Minister. 8. The ancient University of Nalanda was located in which state? A. Uttar Pradesh. B. Bihar. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Gujarat. Answer. B. Bihar. 9. The terms bull and bear are associated with which sector? A. Agriculture. B. Stock market. C. Real estate. D. Banking. Answer. B. Stock market. 10. Which is the highest peak in the Western Ghats? A. Mullayanagiri. B. Anamudi. C. Dodabetta. D. Agasthyakudam. Answer. B. Anamudi. 11. The Quit India resolution was passed at which session of the Indian National Congress? A. Bombay session. B. Lahore session. C. Calcutta session. D. Lucknow session. Answer. A. Bombay session. 12. The longest river in the peninsular India is? A. Krishna. B. Godavari. C. Kaveri. D. Mahanadi. Answer. B. Godavari. 13. What is the chemical formula of quicklime? A. CaO. B. CaCO3. C. CaOH2. D. MgO. Answer. A. CaO. 14. The capital of the Vijayanagara Empire was? A. Mysore. B. Madurai. C. Hampi. D. Kanchipuram. Answer. C. Hampi. 15. Which of the following is an example of an insulator? A. Copper. B. Silver. C. Plastic. D. Iron. Answer. C. Plastic. 16. Which gas is used in the manufacturing of ammonia? A. Oxygen. B. Nitrogen. C. Hydrogen. D. Both B and C. Answer. D. Both B and C. 17. The book, Gita Govinda, was written by? A. Kalidasa. B. Jayadeva. C. Banabhatta. D. Tulsidas. Answer. B. Jayadeva. 18. In which year was the Battle of Buxar fought? A. 1757. B. 1764. C. 1773. D. 1785. Answer. B. 1764. 19. The Gandhi-Irwin Pact was signed in which year? A. 1929. B. 1930. C. 1931. D. 1932. Answer. C. 1931. 20. The Great Himalayan National Park is located in which state? A. Uttarakhand. B. Himachal Pradesh. C. Jammu and Kashmir. D. Arunachal Pradesh. Answer. B. Himachal Pradesh. 21. The Kudankulam nuclear power plant is located in which state? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Andhra Pradesh. C. Karnataka. D. Kerala. Answer. A. Tamil Nadu. 22. The National Sports Day in India is celebrated on whose birth anniversary? A. Major Dhyan Chand. B. Kapil Dev. C. Sunil Gavaskar. D. P.T. Usha. Answer. A. Major Dhyan Chand. 23. The Chipko movement is associated with A. Wildlife conservation. B. Forest conservation. C. Soil conservation. D. Water conservation. Answer. B. Forest conservation. 24. Which type of rock is formed by the cooling of magma? A. Sedimentary. B. Metamorphic. C. Igneous. D. Fossil. Answer. C. Igneous. 25. Which layer of the earth lies directly beneath the crust? A. Core. B. Mantle. C. Lithosphere. D. Atmosphere. Answer. B. Mantle.